The topic I chose to do my final project on is the conservation of wolverines. Although I was unable to get any video footage of the wolverines at the Detroit Zoo in person, I was able to find video footage of Gigi and Anna in their American Grasslands habitat online. After my research on the topic, I feel there is a need to protect these mysterious creatures, and we as a society need to take responsibility for our actions and realize our impact on the wolverines' dwindling populations. With human activity expanding into the wolverines' territory, it is driving them further north and to higher elevations. Here's some background information on the wolverine. The wolverine is classified as a weasel and belongs to the Mustelidae family. The habitats in which wolverines have been found differ greatly and include the Arctic, subarctic, the alpine forests, grasslands, tundra, and rocky areas such as inland cliffs and mountain peaks. Similar to the habitats where wolverines reside, the countries they are located in are also geographically unique. These countries home to wolverines include China, Canada, Estonia, Finland, Mongolia, Norway, the Russian Federation, Sweden, and certain regions of the United States. Wolverines resemble a small bear ranging from 26 to 36 inches long, not including the tail, and can weigh anywhere from 20 to 66 pounds. They feed on sheep, deer, small bears, rodents, and other small native animals. But a majority of their diet comes from scavenging meat from carcasses of large mammals like elk and caribou. The wolverine has a voracious appetite and is known to eat its entire find or kill. Even the bones and teeth of the animals are consumed. The wolverine is a fearless animal. An eyewitness story reported a 30-pound wolverine attempting to steal a kill from a 400 to 500-pound black bear. Because wolverines are both extremely territorial and highly sensitive to disturbance, the increasing popularity of winter backcountry recreation, along with more powerful snow machines, suggests that the wolverine population range will continue to diminish due to human activity. Although wolverines are very difficult to observe in the wild, which is why still so little is known about them, research efforts include methods such as radio tracking, remote-controlled cameras, live traps, and DNA traps. Concerns to the wolverine population include primarily habitat fragmentation, overexploitation, and the depredation conflicts with sheep and reindeer husbandry. Recently, concern has also been raised about the potential negative impact of global warming on the wolverine population, pushing them further north into higher elevations in order to fit their favored habitat. Conservation efforts of these majestic creatures' population has been listed by the IUCN Red List as decreasing, yet is classified under least concern and is primarily a result of how vastly their population is distributed, along with remaining large populations still intact. Although the population size is extremely difficult to accurately predict, recent studies estimate that there are between 15,000 and 30,000 worldwide. For nearly 2 decades now, defenders of wildlife have been pushing the federal government to protect wolverines under the Endangered Species Act. Another major part of wildlife conservation is having enough information about the species to take action. For wolverines, this has often been a challenge. I hope that through this project you have learned enough information to feel as strongly as I do and push towards wolverine conservation and advocating so that the wolverine continues to thrive for generations to come.